They just went off again, but now it's in alert mode. Yeah, this is just a test. They had an attack mode earlier, but it was a whoop tone instead of a general attack tone. So this is 500. This is 540 hertz too, just like Morton is. Well, that was funny. Just after 2 hours of being here, sirens go off. Oh, weather. I don't hear any other sirens, just wheelings. How? Like, seriously, it's been at least 3 minutes and they're still sounding. Whoa. Guys, I'm safe enough distance from the window. Let me check if there's anything.
With mostly sunny skies.
Okay, it's just a test. Certainly tests don't last like 3 minutes. Oh, finally. Well, there goes the siren test. It was totally uncalled for. I should have known when these tests were going to happen. Well, there it goes.